Got an infestation of pigeons. This is the building site I earn my money on. I got these little guys trying to poo all over my materials and shit. Yeah. How would you feel? How would you feel, people, if you had pigeons working in your site, pitching and shitting all over your materials? Would it feel good to you? Would you feel clean? Is that right, Pigeon? There's Pigeon there behind me likes dancing to site music. When the radios play music. See, there's Pigeon there. This Pigeon's actually living life, looking out the window, thinking about how it could be. Yeah. This Pigeon behind me here, this Pigeon's a philosopher. Knows about life and that. Yeah.